Oh man, I don't even have my glasses with me. Hold on a second, guys. I gotta go back and get my glasses. I can't believe it. God darn it. Yeah. I'm nearsighted this. That means I can't see far. But actually it's not that bad. I guess my eyesight got better or something. Because I can't. What the fuck? Yeah, it's unsafe. We still got 15 minutes. Oh shit. Hold on a second. Let me park by let me get my glasses, okay? Where did my glasses go? Hold on. Here it is. Here's my glasses. Oh, that's way better. Let me take my... It's so high in Florida, man. Hold on a second. Oh, that's my... So, I got my glasses back. Post office to drop my package. Okay? I've still got 11 minutes. I'm not trying to make this video too long. But, yeah. So, what else do we need to talk about? I have this app called Trello. It's a good you know, blog subjects instead of having that paper all the time. Wow. Come on. Let me check my back. Oh man, stop, fuck. Let me put it in gear. Oh shit. Yeah, you can, no, you can yield. I need to slow down here because there's police here. So if you guys are watching this and your job is very stressful, you know, take it for what it is. Don't just say that it's only, you know, temporary. It's only temporary, and you have a plan of getting out of it. I'll show you. I just use PayPal to drop my you know, packages. This is not the one right here. This is the one. I think so, yeah. Have a good plan, and because life is short, you don't want to keep working and die. You're not here for this planet just to fucking work. Just kidding. It's true. So I like this one. I did another video about how I deliver mail. I just go here and not go in line, and because I have I use PayPal to prepay for my eBay stuff. Or if you want to ship it to your family, you can use PayPal that ship or something. I'll link it below so you can sorry. Oh yeah. Nice. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for now for the subjects. Link, comment, subscribe, and click that bell icon because I upload videos every week. Alright, I'll see you guys later.